On these Cherokees, they tend to leak down here on the passenger floor, and it comes from the cowl area around the box. That box hooks through the vent, which is up here, and the seal around it leaks. Like many Cherokee XJs, there's always a water leak on the passenger floor, and usually it coming from this box right here, the inlet. So what you've got to do is cut you out a piece. When you cut out a piece right here, make sure you leave the tab so you can screw this back on. And then you can't get to the back of it, as you can see, with a caulk gun, but I'm going to drill a hole right here, and I'm going to pour liquid silicone in it and fill it up with foam stuff. Let's see if it works. I was going to fabricate a cover to put back on the piece I cut out, but I don't think I'm going to do that right now because this grill that goes over it is solid on that side. It is open down there so the air can go through, but it's solid. I don't think I need to cover that in case I got to get back in there again. Alright, then I use this DAP foam sealer down in here and make sure that it gets all around that box. It's hard to do. It's hard to do. Hope it works. And y'all don't freak out because I'm drilling a hole in it. It's a Jeep, and you know it's old, and well, it's got lots of holes in it. Well, I've got my hole, so now I'm going to clean that up. Alright, there's the hole, and what I'm going to do is pour liquid silicone down there and fill in all the gaps. Alright, what you do is you pour this into my 1/2 inch hole that I drilled and let it sit, and it'll eventually run all the way through. And as you can see, it is filling up all around that box. So all around the box. What a mess. Alright, it's now all cleaned up, ready for the plug. And I got these little 1/2 inch plugs from Lowe's. And all you gotta do, pop it in the hole. There you go. It's done. Yeah, the paint's horrible on this thing, but you never know what happened. Have a good day.